There's one. It's not a terrible fish. There we go. It's not a bad fish. Nice to get one. Not a... Small fish, but he hit the trailer hook. That's why I love this thing now. There we go. Okay. Oh, that hit like a much bigger fish. Man, that hit like a much bigger fish, but he inhaled that bait. I mean, just completely gone. Thanks, bud. That was a nice fight. Oh, that's not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. I literally just tossed the worm over there and not really expecting much in it. Oh man. There we go. It's not a bad fish. It's a chunky fish, but I just threw the worm over there and I felt thump thump. Set hook. Nice. There we go. Little guy. Another little guy. There we go. Oh, another freaking nice hit. Oh. Nice. Again, about a little bigger than the last one. Not huge fish, but another one nonetheless. Thanks, bud. Another little guy. Another little guy, but I watched him come up and smack it. That was pretty cool. Oh, that was cool. Another small fish, but nice. Well, yet again, another, I mean, the past couple times I've been to that spot, it hasn't really been that fantastic. I'm surprised. It just died off all of a sudden. I was getting fish after fish after fish nonstop. And then, you know, there was one day I actually went out there 2 days ago and didn't get a single fish. And I decided to kind of, you know, tone it down and try to fish a little slower. And, you know, I caught some fish, just nothing giant. You know, I caught that one, probably three and a half, somewhere in there. But, I mean, it was good fish, don't get me wrong, but definitely was a slow day. The wind has also been terrible, and bluebird skies don't help at all. So I'm actually probably going to go back out there tomorrow and try to do some fishing with a buddy of mine, and hopefully we'll nail them, but we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely we want to see this video, you know, these videos start to gain some steam. And of course the algorithm likes the likes. So let's see it if you like the video. Thank you guys. I appreciate the watch, and y'all have a good rest of your day.